Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy the next video. This is just one of the beautiful cars that the Mecum Auction has to offer.
Helping out with customers, making sure everything's ready to go and looks good and everybody's happy. And that involves driving a lot of beautiful cars.
Another great car here at the Mecum Auction. This has been incredible. Let's take another look at this engine.
Hi, my name is Mike. This is my 1967 Camaro. It's got 327 automatic. It's got 2-speed power glide in it. Great car. Does have fully factory for the most part. Get the hood open here. Pretty much a completely factory. Again, 327. Does have power steering. Does not have power brakes. Factory blue color. It's outfitted with the 15-inch rally wheels. It's got new tires. Great interior. This one's actually got the bucket seats with the console. Automatic on the floor.
How's it to drive?
Like an old car. The way they were supposed to, actually. So, yeah.
Of all the cars that you've had, what is your favorite?
You know, I've had so many cars, but the Camaros I always go back to. So I like the first gen, 67, 8, and 9. 69s, of course, are my favorite. But this one, being just a bone stock, it's just a daily driver. So you can go out, have fun on a Sunday, not have to worry about breaking parts from having something that's over revving. But it's comfortable. Got great chrome on it. This car just has a great stance. So that's a good question, but I'd call it like a midnight blue.
Right, yeah.
Yep. So it doesn't really have any metallic in it. It is a custom paint color. But again, you know, you look at the way the doors open and close. The interior is really well maintained.
It is.
So to wrap it up, this car is going to go through tomorrow, F192. It'll be later in the day. But again, I love the auction here, love the excitement. Let's get it sold. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching US Classic Muscle Cars. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.